Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 3 to the power of b minus 2 to the power of b is equals to 65, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So we solve this problem for all the values of b, and here the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to multiply and divide by 2 the exponent of both of these two terms, and it will be written as 3 to the power of b, and we multiply and divide this by 2 over 2 in the same pattern. We multiply and divide the exponent of this 2 by 2, and it will becomes b multiplied by 2 over 2, and this is equals to 65. And here in the next step we just write here, we move 1 over 2 here, and it will be written as 3 to the power of b over 2 and its whole square, minus we again rewrite this term as 2 to the power of b over 2 and its whole square equals to 65. And now further in the next step we will take the base of this term is equals to x, and it will be written as x is equals to 3 to the power of b over 2, and we take the base of this term is equals to y, and y is equals to 2 to the power of b over 2. So when we substitute both of these two values of x and y to the above equation, it will be written as x square minus y square equals to 65. So this is x square minus y square, and here we write the nice algebraic formula. You know about that, this is very famous algebraic formula. X square minus y square equals to x minus y times of x plus y equals to 65. So you see that in the left hand side we have two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So we need to find the factors in which the product of two integers becomes here 65. But here you remember one thing is that our b should must be belongs to an integer. Okay, we solve this problem for the integer values of b. So here we make the factors of 65, and we have the possibilities are 35 times of 5 becomes 65, and 5 times of 13 becomes 65, 1 times of 65 becomes 65, and 65 times of 1 becomes 65. So we have these are the four possibilities, but here we need only one possibility in which we can easily get the value of x and y, and then we move towards the value of b. But if you make the relation between these two factors, and here we clearly say that our x minus y is always less than x plus y, less than or equals to x plus y. So we need to choose any two numbers in which the first number is less than the second number. If you see here 13 is greater than 5, so we reject this case. In this case 5 is less than 13, we choose this case, and 1 is less than 65, we choose this case. 65 is greater than 1, we reject this case. So we have these two possibilities, but here I can just choose only one possibility because we need to find the value of b, and we will get the value of b from this case. So that we compare x minus 5 and x plus y with 5 and 13, so that x minus y equals to 5 and x plus y is equals to 13. We will choose this case only because from this case we get the value of b. And now in the next step we need to solve both of these two equations, and we will be called that this is equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So here we will sum up equation number 1 and equation number 2 for the values of x. So when we add these two values, we get x plus x becomes 2x. This is minus y and plus y are gone, and 5 plus 13 becomes here 18. And now for values, for integer values of x, we will divide both of the sides by 2, so that we divide this term by 2 and this term by 2. So this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here our x is equals to, this is 2 times 9 becomes 18, and we easily get the value of x is equals to 9. And further in the next step we first we find the value of y from here, and now for the values of y we need to subtract both of these two values. So when we subtract these two values, we will obtain After subtraction of these values, we change these signs, so these x are gone and minus y uh, becomes minus 2y equals to 5 minus 13 becomes here minus 8. And for the values of y, we will divide both of the sides by minus 2. So this minus 2 and minus 2 are gone, and we get here y is equals to this minus and minus are gone, and 2 4s are 8. We easily get the value of y is equals to 4. So here we will obtain, and there are two values of there are one values of x and y. So here you just remember that we need to find the value of b. So we have the value of x is equals to 9 and the value of y is equals to 4. So we move backward and we substitute the value of x in the start of the problem. We will take here x is equals to 3 to the power of b over 2 equals to 9, and we will take the value of y is 2 to the power of b over 2 equals to 4. So here we write this 9 as 3 square, and this is 3 to the power of b over 2, and from here 2 to the power of b over 2 equals to, this is 4, we write it as 2 square. So you see that the bases on both of the sides are same, so we compare its exponents, so we equate its exponents and we get b over 2 is equals to 2, and in this case we have b over 2 is equals to 2. So further we move 2 from left hand side to the right hand side, and we get this is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and in this case this is 2 times 2 is also becomes here 4. So you see that on both of these two cases we get the same values of b, and this is the our final answer. But in the next step we need to verify that is this value of b satisfied our given question statement or not. So for verification of this value, we will copy down given question statement here. 3 to the power of b minus 2 to the power of b is equals to 65. And here we put the value of b into the left hand side, and we check its behavior. So when you put b equals to 4 here, it will becomes 3 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 65. So you very well know about that 3 to the power of 4 becomes 81 minus 2 to the power of 4 becomes 16, and we check that is this equals to 65 or not. So when you subtract 81 minus 16, you clearly obtain 65 is equals to 65. So this shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value of b is equals to 4 is satisfied our given question statement. And finally we have the solution set of this problem is b is equals to 4. So this is the only one solution which we get here in this method, and this is the our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.